Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. How about a 2004 Ford F250 with the special package from Harley Davidson. Back then they had a special edition. This is from the factory with the colors matching. Obviously this one's been fully customized and lifted with lots of upgrade. It's got the towing package, backup camera, backup sensors, got nice LED backup lights. It's a pretty truck, full-size crew cab. Got some nice 20-inch XD aluminum wheels with some new Nitto tires. It's got new brakes, new rotors, new calipers. This is probably one of the smoothest riding lifted truck I've been in. I was not expecting that. It's fairly quiet, not a bunch of road noise. Track straight. You can go 70 miles an hour and just let go of the steering wheel and she tracks straight. Very comfortable ride. It's got the nice bull bar with the LED fog lights, bumper lights. It's got the hood scoop. It's got a nice lift kit. I don't know, it's at least 6-8 inches, I would assume. It's got double shocks per corner. Just well done. Paint's in good shape. It's got a few placement touch up, but nothing bad. As expected on a 16-year-old truck. It does have a clean Carfax. Hadn't been smoked in, I can't tell. Keyless entry. Got nice tinted windows. We're going to have power windows, power locks, power heated mirrors. Got power seats on both sides with lumbar. They're heated leather seats. They're in good shape. My guy's going to come here and make it look a little better, but they're in good shape. Automatic headlights. Got nice floor mats, aluminum pedals. Carpets are clean. The whole truck's in pretty good shape. Got low miles too. 137,000 miles. That's not even 10,000 miles a year. Got the nice display, Harley Davidson. Leather wrapped steering wheel, get your cruise control. This one has the bank 6-gun system for extra power and better fuel mileage. And it's been bulletproof by them. Everything is running like it's supposed to. No issues. Got shift on the fly full drive. It's got nice aftermarket radio, touchscreen navigation. I agree. Well, there she goes. Got simple climate control, and that's a wireless phone charger holder. Adjustable power pedals. Trailer brake controller. Got some nice gauge here with the boost. These were numbered truck. This is number 2105. I don't know exactly how many they made, but there's a remote for the radio. Also, it's got the backup camera. Pretty nice on a big truck like that. That's handy to have. I do have the extra key in the owner's manual. Everything's in good shape. Got a little glue here from something that was on there before, but the dash is not cracked. Got your outside temperature, trip computer, showing 11 miles per gallon. That's probably accurate, or close to it. Power sunroof. And with those stacks, it sounds really good. You can hear the turbo whistle. Lots of room back here. That's a power sliding glass. Leather's in good shape. No depth fluid, which is real nice. LED tail lights. I guess I need to turn the lights on so we can see them. Did I turn them on? Did all of them on? Nope. That was just the running lights. There we go. Those are not real bullet holes, in case you're wondering. Those are stickers. Got a toolbox. Looks brand new. Some kind of bed liner material. Rhino. These seats fold out with the flat storage. You want to put some a toolbox or something like that. The other side does the same. LED markers. Got the windshield visor, the hood scope. Beautiful wheels. I drove it for about 150 miles and the engine runs like a sewing machine. It's very sweet. What a truck. I didn't see any leak. I mean, it might leak over time, but I had it parked overnight and didn't see anything leaking, so that's pretty good for an old diesel. Tires are very quiet. They look aggressive, but they don't roar, and they handle real well. I was impressed. If you're looking for a sharp custom truck and don't want to spend $80,000, this here's your ticket. This will make someone a great first truck, or just a show truck, or I mean, you can't. There's not many trucks out there for this kind of price in that condition. So, to see if this F250 is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. It's on the website. It's for sale. If not, you're too late, and it's sold. I just thought about this, but you can't hear it because I've got my earpiece, so I'm gonna try it again. Yeah, I've had my earpiece the whole time, so probably can't hear the engine noise. Thank you for watching, and come and see us.